Good morning, everybody. It is August 28th. I'm going to go get my nails done. And I'm tired and sneezy. And Frieza's annoying. Hi, Frieza. Hi, Frieza. It is a beautiful hot day. Oh, dear Lord, I set off the dog. Okay, I'm just messaging my friend. Oh my God, it's the weather today. And it's only 9. I think it's done. Okay. Let's go get my nails done. Frieza. So, nails are done. They're so pretty. So, I don't know if you guys can see, but they're sparkly too. What? Yeah, he's afraid because he got under this yesterday when I was closing it and he hit his head. Yeah, these are, by the way, the blue on my nails is not something I got done today. They're ancient. Why is that? Toenails last longer on nail polish than fingernails. Like, this will be gone by a week. So, today is the, I think I said this earlier. Today's the 28th, so we eat 29th? 29th. Damn, I might have said 28th earlier. So we leave tomorrow at around noon, which means we have not an early morning, but we have to be up around 10. Today we have to build my scythe. We have to go and grab a few more things. His pants need to get picked up. I need to go pick up one more container for my cupboard to fill my freaking huge thing of rice. And then we're going to meet his parents at Costco because they just moved recently, so they are going to be stocking us up some foods for Fan Expo and our house in general. Because we told them we have a membership, so whenever they want to go, they just need to let us know. You're licking me. And I made lasagna last night. I didn't film at all yesterday because since my beginning of my holidays, I have been go, 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 move, move, move. I haven't stopped since the beginning of my holidays. So yesterday, I went out once, and I wasn't even supposed to go out once, but we went out once to grab some lasagna additive because I was only supposed to make one, but he wanted, Mr. Zach, he's not awake, I'm just pointing to where he normally sits, wanted 2, so I had to grab some more noodles and stuff. And then I have to bake some cookies when I get home. So we're meeting his parents around like 2. His parents are gonna be ready at 3. And then we're coming home to cook and bake. And then it's going to be, I'm saying it's gonna be an early night. I don't know how early of a night it's gonna be, but all I know is that I need to go home once I'm done baking and take a shower. And then I need to straighten my hair, pack that, brush my hair, get it ready for bed, get up tomorrow, put on some makeup, because as you guys can tell, I haven't been wearing any. It's because I've been breaking out here and here and here. Because it's so hot, I've just been sweating, so I've been avoiding makeup. But I'm not going to avoid it for Fan Expo. And then pretty much I think we're almost done. So that's the plans today. Oh, and all that, like I said, throughout the day today, I gotta build a site. What? Really? Come here. It's almost been a year since we had this little fluff ball. The other one's in the attic, probably. So I'm gonna relax. I need to go wake up the boy up in half an hour, and then we're gonna start our day. Right? Okay. That's what we're gonna do. We're home. It is currently 8:46 p.m. and I got nothing I wanted done today other than... What?
I was contributing to your video.
Yes, my cat locked himself in the bathroom for 7 hours. Again. That's nothing new! My cat's a dumbass. But, and get my scythe built. I got my cosplay. Didn't bake my cookies. Haven't taken a shower. Boomer! By the way, that's not the idiot that locks himself in a bathroom. So now, I'm gathering all of this, and I'm going to start baking my cookies. So wish me luck. I'm going to need it. As you can tell, I'm showered and cleaned. Cookies are made. And after a lot of swearing and angriness, half a scythe. Say boo. Thank you. He helped. What did you just tell me?
Said do God's work.
So, the only thing I realized is I was trying on my nylons that I bought for last year's con that I ended up using with Ruby, and they don't fit. So I need to go out to Walmart tomorrow and buy some nylons, but as of right now, packed. The only thing I need to throw in here is like hairbrushes and deodorant, which I can't throw in till we use them tomorrow. These are the shirts that we're wearing. I want them folded. By the way, mine is. You still can't freaking see it. Did I put the right shirt away? Hello? Yeah, there we go. Ruby. Dark Souls. Jeez. It is technically tomorrow, by the way, but I can't go to bed until I get everything put together. Oh. Okay, so I need... I need you. Backpack. Boomer. Frieza. So, the only thing left for me to do tomorrow is pack the cooler full of food. So we got two lasagnas. We have the cookies. We have a bag of treats like licorice. And that's it. Hey, my love. Do we might want to like grab a pop or something at Walmart for the hotel? A pop.
It's probably not a bad idea.
Could we have cups?
Grab two.
Yeah, just grab a two. We'll grab one diet for Robin.
Right, forgot. Yeah, let's not kill Robin.
If not, so we'll grab her like a small diet. She can polish that off by herself. And seriously. And he's locking himself in the bathroom at the exact same freaking time. Free boom. Oh no, he didn't lock himself in. He walked away. Boomer. Boomer. That's a very expensive prop you're sitting on. Boomer. Seriously. Get off. Okay, maybe I shouldn't put the backpack on the scythe so it doesn't look so enticing to lay on. Boomer. I know that you love laying on the table. I get that. But get off my scythe. Don't meow at me.
Do it. Do it.
Get off. You're a dick. I love you. How about I clear off this spot for you, okay? Okay? Will we call that even? There. Boomer. Come here. Come on. No? And by the way, Frieza, you've now been kicked out of the bathroom, so at least you didn't lock yourself in there, you dimwit. Cats. Not as easy as children. So technically we are here today. He's following me now. Hi. So yeah, we're gonna grab some pop. Because we got some cups over there. So I just gotta pack the food. And that's pretty much it. And then I gotta pack the car. I'm probably gonna wake up around 9. So like I said, I'm going to bed now. Because I need to straighten my hair. Put some makeup on. Put all my makeup in a bag. Pack that. Ooh, I didn't add that to my packing list. I need to pack my makeup. And then we're leaving a little bit earlier. So I will see you guys in the morning when we start Fan Expo Day 1 for 2018. See you there.